Welcome back. So in this video we'll see the basics of our Python. So let's say I want to print any line. So I'm a beginner in Python. So this is my line that I want to print. So let's run the program and you can see I'm a beginner in Python. Again I want to print numbers. So print so I want to add these numbers. So 3 plus 5 it automatically give the additions. So this is the quality of Python. So you can see the 8 is answer. So again I want to print some other things. So let's see, I want to print these number in a character. So let's see, I have mistake, so you have to print. So it's property of Python, it automatically detect either the number is integer or a character or a string, whatever they are, it automatically detect this. So again I want to print another line, hello world, and this will be printed out. So this is my all about how to print anything, any number. So it is predefined in Python, either the number is float, either the number is integer, either the number is character, either string. So it is actually detected by Python automatically. So now we will see how to comment multiple lines. So this is three dot and a three dot. This is all comments now. So now you can see this is also printed out because this is not commented. So now I want to see the variables, different type of variables. So a is equal to 3, this is our integer, and the b is equal to 3.5, this is our float type, data type. And now I want to check the data type. So type and the a, and you can see the data type is integer. So I want to print this. So again you can see data type is integer. Now again I want to check the type of b. So now you can see the b type is float. So this is how you can check all the data types. So now I want to add c is equal to her, so this is string. So let's check. So check the type of that, c type, and c. Let's run the program and you can see data type is string. So this is all about Python's data types. Now I want to giving the name Harris and age 21. So now I want to print a line with name. So that's why my name is and comma name. So this is print with my name as well that I have declared before. So I also want to print name with my age. So that's why I use print my name is and age. So you can see when I run my program, so my name is Horace and my name is 21. So this is actually the my name. Now we will see how to take input in Python. So let's see, I want to print line enter your name. So and I take inputs my name. So that's why I run the program. Now you can see, so here is mistake, so I use brackets now. So again run. So enter your name. So enter your name, I entering Harris. So it will be entered now. So this is all about how to take input as well as how to check data type. So in next video we will see how to check the control statement.